good day everyone. I am here with Shaheen because I'll be his guardian to guide him for his cooking demo class. And he's going to make a chicken spicy adobo. And by the way, I've tasted already his chicken spicy adobo and it tastes so good. That's why he chooses again to cook it for us for his demo class. And now he is going to prepare and show to you his specialty, which is the spicy chicken adobo.
Hello guys, today I'll be cooking my favorite dish since childhood, which is spicy chicken adobo. But before that, I am with my guardian, Christy Lou, to supervise me in my cooking demonstration for safety purposes only. While Christy is here, I am going to make my very special dish, which is spicy chicken adobo. Today, I am going to show you and share you 3 easy steps on how to make spicy chicken adobo. Let's start!
I made this dish a few years ago and today I'll make it again and improvise it with a few twists. It turned out very well with the perfect balance of saltiness and sourness. This cooking demo shows you on how to prepare chicken adobo step by step in detail. Marinate the sliced chicken with soy sauce, black pepper, and salt into the bowl for 20 to 30 minutes. This process is to tenderize and give savory taste to the chicken. Set aside. Chicken adobo is perfect for anyone who doesn't want to spend too much time to cook, yet delicious and appeal to everyone. While you are waiting for step 2 to be finished, heat pan, add olive oil. After heating, saute chopped garlic into the frying pan until it turned brown. Add sliced onions, then the marinated chicken parts. It is likely to be the most popular Filipino dish worldwide. The recipe attained massive popularity because of its fabulous taste, and most of all, quick to prepare. Cover the pan and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Add brown sugar, one-fourth cup water, and laurel leaves. Mix and cover again. Wait until the chicken becomes tender. Stir and cook for 10 minutes. Turn the heat off, serve, and enjoy. The word adobo means seasoning, which people usually add vinegar and soy sauce to chicken. This is originated from about 16th to 17th century when the Philippines was under the Spanish government. But some sources emphasize that Philippines already cooked adobo before Spaniards invade Philippines.